How to get a Kahoot Gold free trial. Kahoot offers various subscription plans including Kahoot plus Gold, which provides enhanced features for creating and hosting interactive learning sessions. While free trials are available for certain plans, their availability can vary. Here's how you can check and activate a free trial for Kahoot plus Gold. Step 1. Visit the Kahoot pricing page. Navigate to the official Kahoot website, kahoot.com. Click on Plans to view the available subscription options. Step 2. Check for free trial availability. Locate the Kahoot plus Gold plan in the list of available subscriptions. Look for a Start Free Trial button associated with the Kahoot plus Gold plan. If the button is present, a free trial is available for this plan. If the button is absent, a free trial may not be currently offered for Kahoot plus Gold. Step 3. Start the free trial. Click on the Start Free Trial button for Kahoot plus Gold. Follow the prompts to create or sign into your Kahoot account. Provide the required billing information. Note: Kahoot requires a valid payment method to initiate the free trial. Confirm the activation of your free trial. Step 4. Manage your subscription. During the trial period, explore the premium features offered by Kahoot plus Gold. If you decide not to continue with the subscription, ensure you cancel at least 24 hours before the trial ends to avoid being charged. To cancel, sign in to your Kahoot account, navigate to your subscription settings, and follow the cancellation instructions. Important considerations. Trial duration. The standard trial period is 7 days, unless stated otherwise. Eligibility. Free trials are typically available to new subscribers. If you've previously used a free trial for Kahoot plus Gold, you may not be eligible for another. Automatic renewal. If you do not cancel before the trial period ends, the subscription will automatically renew, and your payment method will be charged. By following these steps, you can determine the availability of a free trial for Kahoot plus Gold and decide if it aligns with your educational needs.